Hi, Big Jim here on Lucille Marie, working on a little concept. We have the new nameplate, and as I indicated before, the plate, unfortunately, although our transom looks like it's flat, it's actually quite curved. And as a result, our flat nameplate doesn't fit. So now it's supposedly carved out of PVC, which is a plastic, typically used for drainage pipes and water pipes in houses and other places. And PVC is a reactive plastic. In other words, it basically starts bending at a very low temperature, probably less than 200-300 degrees. And so I'm hoping that if I apply my heat gun to the plate using a possible curved surface, that it will then adapt to that curve gently, not melt completely, and hopefully the nameplate will fit. Let's take a look what we're doing here. So we have the nameplate sitting on the table. It's suspended. I did a measurement. I did a measurement indicating that the left and right sides are about 1 inch off of the transom at about 30 inches or so. So basically, this piece of 2x4 that I had cut earlier for the hatch that we built, the custom hatch that we built out of plywood and cedar, is almost identically the same angle. So I'm going to use it as my template to guide the process and see if, first of all, if it bends. If it does bend, then I'll use this bent or this trimmed 2x4 to then give me an indication of when it's at the proper angle. So let's take a look and see if it's going to work. So we've got the heat gun. Now I'm going to apply the heat evenly. See if we get any kind of reaction from the nameplate. Now, eventually what I'm going to do is when I heat this up sufficiently, I'm going to use a weight that I have upstairs in the house. I was thinking I had some 5-pound weights, but I don't know where they are right now. So I've got a 45-pound weight that should be more than enough to give us some a little bit of tension on this. I'm hoping that just heat alone with gravity and the suspension of the nameplate will be enough to bend it, but there's no telling. It's about 3/4 to 1 inch in thickness, so it's not a flimsy thing. The other option, obviously, is to cut relief cuts into the nameplate to allow it to bend. That's my last resort. I'm hoping that this will be more useful. The trick here is getting enough heat on the template before it cools, or the nameplate before it cools, so that it will start conforming. I don't feel any give at all yet. I think we're going to have to get the weight. I don't think this is going to work by itself. So I'm going to pause for a second and go get the weight, and I'll be right back.